Here's a review and reflect. First thing we need to do is to complete our pattern. We can notice that we have one dot here for the first step. In the second picture we have 3 dots. In the third picture we have 6 dots. So the question is, what should be in the fourth picture? Well, we can see that at the first row we can see that we're going to have 4 dots. And there it's kind of like a pyramid. So we're going to have 3 dots in the next one, and then 2 dots on top of that one, and then 1 here. And we can see that our pattern, if we were going to look at numbers, that we would have 1 dot, then 3 dots, then 6 dots, and then 10 dots. So this is not following any one of the patterns that we've already known, such as arithmetic or geometric, because when we were trying to add, we would see that we were adding +2 here, then we added +3 here, and then we added +4 here. So there is a pattern, just not the arithmetic or geometric sequence or pattern that we're familiar with. The next thing we need to take a look at is 3 to the nth power an even or an odd number? So if we kind of look at it, 3 to the 1 power is equal to 3, which makes it odd. If I do 3 squared, that's equal to 9. If we did 3 times cubed, 3 cubed, we're going to see that's equal to 27. So just by looking at those 3 numbers, we can probably conclude that our number is going to be odd. If you think about it, is that we're always multiplying by an odd number, right? No matter what. If these numbers, we're always multiplying times 3, and 3 is an odd number. And we're going to find that it doesn't matter what n is, 3 to the nth power is an odd number. The last one we need to work on is to add and to simplify these 2 fractions. And notice we want to get the common denominator in order to add these 2 fractions. So I'm going to multiply the first fraction by 2x plus 3 at the bottom as well as at the top, so we do not change the value of our fraction. So notice both fractions have the same denominator, so I'm going to create one big fraction with the denominator of 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3. When I multiply the top part up here, we're going to see that we get 2x squared plus 3x. Then I still have the 1 from the second fraction, so plus 1. So now the next question is, can this be simplified? Well, let's see if we can try factoring the top. So we know the bottom is 2x plus 1 and 2x plus 3. So let's try factoring the top. Notice I'll have 2x in one of them and x in the other. The factors of the constant is 1. So in order to get that, we need 3 in the middle, and we need everybody to be positive. So we can see that. Okay, so we've factored. And now we notice that these 2 factors are the same, so they become 1. They factor out. So we find that our fraction actually simplifies to x plus 1 over 2x plus 3. So we've added our 2 fractions and we have simplified. For the reflect on this page, your job is to describe what you find as easy or hard parts of the induction process. And that concludes this video.